TikTok, you don't stop. Stop to the TikTok, you don't stop. Stop to the TikTok, you don't stop. Stop to the TikTok, you don't stop. Stop to the
What's up, you guys? It's akeyachic here. Today I'm gonna show you guys, and I just dropped my waist. Today I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the thrift store. I went to Goodwill. I went to Goodwill recently, and I bought some stuff early on that I didn't do a video on, so I'm gonna show you guys that, some tips and some things to look for when you're going to the thrift store. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right into it. Talk about the stuff that I just bought recently. I spent $33.09 at the Goodwill I just went to, and I think y'all are going to be pretty happy and proud of me from the stuff that I bought. So the first thing, I'm gonna start with accessories first, but I got this beautiful black fancy pack. Okay, I can't do the roll R's, but yeah, this is so cute. I've been wanting a basic black fanny pack for a minute because I have fanny packs, but they're really, like, you know, out there, wild, and I needed something, you know, that could go with everything. So when I seen this, I was just like, oh my god, everything I wanted. But yeah, this was, I think this was $3.99. Yeah, so it was $3.99. I didn't even look at the brand. I think the brand is Kmart. Ain't that crazy? It looks like it has a K, so I'm assuming that's Kmart, and it has a circle in it. I'm assuming it's Kmart. But yeah, it's very simple. Nice little bag and go on anywhere, and I like that it has really long straps because I could wear it like over the shoulder, like if people been doing. The next thing I got was this 9 West bag, and when I seen this, I was just like, yes, like I gotta have it. I think this one was $4.99, but it's just a simple black 9 West bag. It has a zipper right here that you can zip up and down to make the straps comfortable or whatever. But yeah, I know these have been very popular this summer and for this year, really. Well, these really never go out of style. But yeah, it's just a really chic, simple black bag that, you know, I can get a lot of use out of. It has a lot of different compartments. It has this little zipper right here, and then it has a zipper on the side, and then it has this little pocket in the back. So yeah, this, I couldn't miss up on this deal. And I know 9 West is a great brand for producing quality I can't talk. It's a great brand for some quality bags. So yeah, really love this. The next thing I got was this simple black belt. I've been wanting a black belt like this that didn't have the little holes on the end. I like that it don't have the holes because I can just poke the little thing anywhere and it could fit my waist. So yeah, you see, like, I think this would be really cute. A nice thick belt, you know, to cinch my shorts together, make them even more high-waisted than they should be. But yeah, this one was $1.99 and the brand is Kmart. I don't know if that fanny pack was Kmart. Now, I don't know. But yeah, it's just a simple black belt, and their sales are great for finding belts too for cheap, because belts can be pricey. So definitely for my men out there who needs belts, go to the thrift store first. Don't spend arm and a leg on that Gucci belt. You might find a Gucci belt at the thrift store. Who knows? The last accessory that I got was this beautiful scarf. I love the pattern on it. I was thinking, you know, I could like wear this on my head, or, you know, do a little neck scarf type thing. But yeah, this was only $1.99, and I think it's really cute. I love the pattern, and I think I can get a lot of wear out of this. I know these simple dainty scarves are really good to have if you're a person that's, you know, really fashionable and chic. Akeyachic, you know, scarf. And I'm definitely gonna get a lot of wear out of this. The next 4 items are just shirts. I love going to the thrift store, finding great quality shorts, because yeah, they're so cheap. They be like $4, $5, sometimes $3. So yeah. So the first item that I got is this mesh shirt, and it has like flowers on it and a little bit of sequins. It is so pretty. These shirts have been so popular this year and last year, and I think I can definitely get a lot of wear of this. during the fall, winter time, but it's just really cute. You can tell it is very vintage, and yeah, I definitely can see myself wearing this with a bralette or a nice tank. And this was in a size small, and it was only $4.49. What I got was this cute black off the shoulder top. I think this is so simple, so cute. Yeah, it's just like a very nice off the shoulder top. It's from Hollister. The mesh top didn't have a brand name on it, if you guys are curious, but yeah, this is from Hollister. I think this is just great. I can pair this with some blue jean shorts, and yeah, just something very simple. And this was only $4.49. I got is a black and white button down. It's in a large from Faded Glory. If you watch my DIY, you already know what I'm gonna do. This shirt, tie it up, and having a cute crop top. But I just love that it's black and white. It's very chic. I love black, and I definitely love black and white together, so I really love this one. Last top that I got was this really cute white business shirt. It's like white and cream. It's from H&M. It's in a size 6. But yeah, I definitely think a nice good quality white shirt is great to have. You can just throw it on. It's really flowy, really comfortable feel. You can put it on with some dress shorts, or just, you know, you can wear this out. You also dress this up if you know, if you have a interview or a business meeting to go to. I think this would be really nice. But yeah, it's just really simple. I love going to the thrift store for dress shirts. Do not sleep on Goodwill. Like, they be having really nice dress shirts. Only $4.49. So yeah, the items that I purchased a while back. But the first item that I am in love with is this beautiful black blazer from Calvin Klein. It's in a size 6, and I love this, y'all. I'm pretty sure this one was like $5.99, but very cheap. Bought this because I need a great quality blazer, since, you know, I am a business student. I'm trying to button it up, but I'm struggling. Anyways, I think this is a great blazer. I think thrift stores are great to go when you're looking for professional pieces. You know, if you have a career fair, if you got an interview, check out your thrift store first. They always have, thrift stores, Goodwills, they always have nice blazers. Like, blazers was a popping thing back in the day, so they're always filled with blazers. So yeah, you gotta look deep and hard for some hidden gems. The next thing that I got, absolute love again. This is from Gap, and this is in a size medium, but it's a beautiful vanilla trench coat. Yes, I'm in love. I didn't know until recently that, you know, thrift stores be having bomb jackets, y'all. Bomb jackets and coats. And I needed a lightweight, beautiful, but, you know, stylish jacket. And when I seen this, I was like, my mom made it. And this probably, I don't have the prices on things because I bought these a minute ago, but I'm pretty sure this was like $5 or $6 again. And yeah, it has this cute belt that you can tie around the waist to snatch you up. This thing I did not get from Goodwill. I got this from a store when I was downtown, but it is this cute jumpsuit. Now, this store was a thrift store, but they carry like very expensive items, so the items wasn't cheap, as you know, regular Goodwill. Kind of pricey. And I seen this jumpsuit, and I tried it on, and snatched. Once I get my body the way I want it to look, this is gonna snatch me up. But it's just a really cute, sleek jumpsuit. It's all black. I love black items, and it has this really cute zipper that goes down, and I'm not gonna wear it down that low, okay? So we're just gonna zip her back up. But I think this is so cute. Okay, it was $35, but like I said, this wasn't a regular thrift store, okay? And I had extra money, you know, you girls to spend it, so yeah, this was a what you call a splurge for. But that is pretty much it, guys, from the haul. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't sleep on the thrift stores. They be having some hidden gems. That's why I love it so much. You can definitely find some great pieces. You really have to look hard though. I wouldn't say go in there expecting anything. Just find something like, dang, this is kind of cute, let me buy it because it's so cheap. But yeah, that is it, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'm trying to expand my channel more, so if you liking me, give your girl a subscribe or whatever. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.